This is going to be a demo on creating a pad using standard versus thin and using a symmetrical profile. So let's get started with a new part. If you have your default set correctly, your specification tree will already have the absolute axis in it. Your geometrical set needs to be renamed to construction geometry, and the part body would be underlined. Now, let's say I just go right to the pad feature. It's giving you a warning. If you see that warning, you should say okay and cancel what you're doing. This comes up, and if you had used an existing sketch in the geometrical set, it's going to give you problems later on. So you don't want to do that. But if you go right to the pad feature, you'll notice that it creates a pad. And I'm going to go create a sketch using that sketch icon. Sorry. The sketch pad feature right here in the pop-up window allows you to create a sketch on the fly. And because this is off, I can click on lines, or I can turn this on and then pick a plane. Personally, I think it's better to do a position sketch where this feature here is turned off. So I'm going to push this button to enable supporting a position sketch. It defaults to the YZ plane, but I'm going to simply select the line and then another line here, and it uses that axis to establish my own local axis for this sketch. When I select OK, it creates a sketch, and I can create a rectangle. So I'll create a rectangle around this profile. Remember, we don't want to work on the axis, but I can work around it. When I hit exit and say OK, that sketch falls inside of that pad. Alright, so that lesson there was how to create a sketch while in the pad feature. Even though you didn't have an existing sketch already, you can just create it on the fly, and then it will automatically build a pad when you exit. Okay, the next demo will be on how I create a profile symmetrical about that axis system.